Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Recover. This service offers a secure way to back up your secret recovery phrase, ensuring you can always regain access to your crypto assets. It's an optional subscription designed to add an extra layer of security and convenience to your Ledger experience. We'll walk through the setup process step by step, making it simple to understand and implement. Let's get started with the basics of what Ledger Recover entails. To begin, first make sure your Ledger device's firmware is completely up to date. Next, you'll subscribe to the Ledger Recover service directly within the Ledger Live application. This process is straightforward and guides you through each step. A crucial part of the setup involves verifying your identity using a valid form of identification. This ensures only you can access your recovery phrase, maintaining the highest level of security for your digital assets. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or getting quick answers, just like how Ledger Recover helps you with your crypto. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once activated, Ledger Recover encrypts your secret recovery phrase and divides it into 3 distinct fragments. These fragments are then securely stored by 3 separate, independent companies, ensuring no single entity holds your entire phrase. If you ever need to restore your access, you can do so by retrieving just 2 of these 3 fragments. This innovative approach provides robust security while offering a reliable recovery solution for your valuable crypto assets. Should you ever need to restore your wallet, the process is designed to be secure and user-friendly. You'll initiate the recovery directly from your Ledger device, following the on-screen prompts. A second identity verification step is required to confirm you are the rightful owner, adding an extra layer of protection. Once verified, your secret recovery phrase is securely reassembled from the fragments, allowing you to regain full access to your digital assets with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.